In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import template in Asana. By the end, you'll have a new project created from a file and ready to share with your team. Start by opening the Asana login page. If your organization uses Google, choose Continue with Google, then pick the correct Google account to sign in. If you use a different login method, that's fine. Just sign in normally and you'll land on your Asana home screen. Once you're in, look for the Quick Create button at the top of the page. It's the plus icon that opens a small menu of things you can create. Choose Project from that menu. In the Creation window, switch to the Import option. This tells Asana you want to build a new project by bringing in a file rather than starting from a blank template. Next, give your project a clear, memorable name. Use something your teammates will recognize at a glance. Before you move on, check the privacy in workspace or team settings. Make sure you're creating the project in the correct space and that visibility matches who needs access. A quick check here prevents access issues later. Now choose Select File to import. You can upload a CSV or supported spreadsheet file or simply drag and drop it into the window. For best results, use a clean file with clear column headers. Things like task name, description, assignee, and due date help Asana place everything correctly. Keep date formats consistent and remove any extra blank columns or rows to avoid hiccups. When your file is attached, select Import directly. Asana will process the file and prepare the project for you. If you see any prompts, review them and proceed. Then click Continue to move forward. The import may take a moment if your file is large, so give it a few seconds to finish. After the import completes, you can jump straight into the new project or make quick edits first. This is a great time to scan your task list and sections, confirm task names look right, and spot check a few due dates or assignees. If something needs tweaking, you can edit it immediately. You can also switch between list and board views, set a project color or icon for easy identification, and adjust the project's share settings so the right people are included. That's it, your template file is now imported into Asana and ready for action. If this was helpful, follow along for more straightforward, step-by-step workflow tips and enjoy your streamlined project setup.